So hello and welcome to another edition of Alfresco of Airfield Mixologist. Now, because today the weather is relatively okay, what I decided to do is I'm going to try and see if I can get this compressor off the trolley. So what I need to do is I've already started with I've taken the split pins off the castle nut here. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and get the rod off, get the head off, and get the piston through the top. And once I get the piston through the top, I might be able to take off the crank assembly. I'm looking at it. I might have to, yeah, so I'm gonna have to, in a sense, improvise how do I take the crank off, because I'm just looking at it. And even if I take this like this, there is still a bit of space here. It might be okay. So there's only one way to find out, which is getting into the stuff and start digging into it. So one thing that I need to do here is be very careful. I'll take this out. Okay, so So I think we've started to get somewhere here. Let me push it from the bottom. Force it up. Yes, that scraper ring. I mean, these rings are in really good condition. So actually I think this is relatively it's not gonna help anymore. I need to do so I need to wedge something in there. Very carefully, obviously. There we go. Piston assembly, awesome. Look at this. I think this is these rings, look the quality of these rings. They are actually pretty good. So these rings are gonna be fully reused. Okay, and I can see here to take the pin out. Yeah, this is gonna be good. And actually I'm gonna show you another good surprise for today, which is the following. Let me get the phone out. Actually, I don't know if you can see it from there, but look at the bore. It's absolutely brilliant. I mean, it's got quite a nice glaze to it and everything. So I think this compressor is really good. It just needs a bit of maintenance and maybe a new gasket and all those things. But so far, I'm very pleased with today's progress. Okay, so finally, I think we had a bit of success here. So this is off the assembly. This is the crankshaft. I mean, it's pretty manky, but I'm gonna try and obviously clean all these parts. This is a piston and other bits. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna clean them. I'm gonna try to take this off the trolley now. So now I've got kind of less things, but before I put it into the workshop, what I want to do is I want to clean it out a bit, just to maybe not get it absolutely spotless, but yes, trying to kind of clean off most of the muck, because clearly I mean, now is the time. I've got some rags and a bit of paraffin, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you once I've done it, the results. Okay, so I think this is gonna be kind of the end of this video. I've cleaned initially, I mean, not perfectly, but just an initial clean to everything. The only issue with this compressor is that this bit here has broken, so I'm gonna have to find a way to either get some sort of replacement or change it. I'll see what I can do. But actually, as I showed you, the rings are really good. One might be a bit stuck, but I think I can free it up by just working with it a bit. And actually, it's pretty sound, this thing. So I'm actually pretty pleased about it. Even the bearings cleaned up quite nicely, which I was a bit worried about, that I was gonna have to change them completely. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these things away, and I'm just gonna clean up a bit, kind of the lister. I'm just trying to tidy things up here, and I'll see you in the next episode.